Morning, everyone. My name is Mpoma Finyo. I'm a villager. Yes. By profession, I'm a professional town planner. I'm also a real estate practitioner, a security practitioner, a safety practitioner, and project manager. Currently busy with my LLB, soon to be a very good attorney for you. Yes. Maybe I'll be a judge one day again. I don't know. I'm just dreaming. Okay, yeah. Those with properties, those who have or who own properties within South Africa, know that there is no development that should take place in your property without consultation with the municipality. You ought to make sure that you get authorization from the municipality. The municipality is your municipality. You ought to work very well with it so that it can provide you with services. Yes, there are those who are at the farms and they don't really need water. They can have their own boreholes and they pay for it. They have electricity from Eskom. They'll have septic tanks for the sewer. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to consult with the municipality. You still have to pay rates and taxes. Besides that, you still have to get approvals of building plans. Yes, previously, if you stay far away, the municipality can never ever assist you with services and all that. You used to build without consulting the municipality. But now, the SPLUMA, Special Planning Land Use Management Act, is now introducing a wall-to-wall scheme where a municipality has the authority over its jurisdiction and should know of every activity that is taking place within its area of jurisdiction, which means that you ought to make sure that whatever development that is taking place within your stand is submitted to the municipality. And again, if you wish to convert your home into rental accommodation, you ought to consult a professional town planner. Yes, the first entry point is the municipality or the municipal town planner, and then they will refer you to private town planners. Then you'll be charged a fee. Normally, the fee depends on the areas. In areas where it's mining towns and far from big cities like Johannesburg, you can be charged 35,000. It's a little. Municipal fee is almost 7,000. When it comes to City of Joburg, City of Cape Town, Port Elizabeth, and all that, you'll be charged maybe 50,000, 60,000. That's little. Because obviously the return investment and all that, and they don't even charge normal fees that they should charge. But that's how most of the planners charge. And what you should know is that the turnaround time in terms of the act, mostly the municipality have 12 months to complete applications. But however, due to backlogs, they're saying they have a lot of applications. So sometimes they don't have resources in terms of professionals that are working in the councils and all that, which then delays the applications to 24 months. Some they go extra to even 36 months. It's unacceptable, but it's happening. And yes, there are people who feel like, hey, the business is here and I want this quick. I can't wait for 2 years. I can't wait for 12 months. My advice to you is that at least get an advice of a professional town planner privately or the municipality. Know what to do first, you see. Then when you then do that at risk, you know that risk is manageable. Because if you're going to build something that will totally contravene or contradict with the municipal land use management tools, then you are going to experience a serious headache, and some I know they will have heart attack and just passed on. So let's avoid that, colleagues. Let's avoid that, fellow members. Let's avoid that by respecting professionals who should advise us. It's like when you have legal matters, consult lawyers. Your lawyer to be. Consult lawyers, please. Lawyers are there to assist us with the legal matters, because in this country we are regulated by law, and the government have the law, have the right to exercise the law, have the right to judge, and there's no judge that is private. All the judges, they work for government. So make sure that you comply with the law, and use professionals, use the lawyers, use the attorneys. In fact, I'm a lawyer to be. So let me tell you about the lawyer. A lawyer is someone who's studying law, someone who hasn't gone to write the exam to become an attorney, or is someone who's not an advocate or is not a judge. So they have those definitions and all that. However, it's not a conveyance and all that. You write a special exam. It's like when you are a what do you call? Remember, there's a doctor, and they have general practitioners. They have those doctors who specializes, like the other ones, radiologists and all that. So it's same applies to the law industry. However, they use man language. You can call it lawyer. It's fine, but it's not really a lawyer. There's attorneys, there's advocates. So you ought to know what is the role of an advocate, what is the role of an attorney, what is the role of a conveyancer, all those things. There are so many. There are so many. So, but I'll get a day and make a video just to explain that so that people have a good understanding. Because my thinking is that I've realized that when it comes to legal service, it's very expensive. And we ought to teach our people to invest on that. Like when people invest on funerals, funeral. Instead of investing on your day-to-day life, we're investing on death. But anyway, it's very important because when you die and we don't have money to bury you, then it becomes another challenge. However, please invest on lawyers. Yes, I know there might be challenges with other insurances. I won't mention the names, but I'm thinking if I can qualify to be an attorney, I ought to come with the simplest that can be afforded by that can be affordable by even a layperson or township people. They should be able to afford legal services. Yeah, I think I'm diverting from my video. It's based on town planning. I know that when you need town planning services, you ought to be prepared to pay for the other studies. More especially if you want to develop an estate, you will need to do an environmental study, you will need to do a geotechnical study, a traffic impact study, you will need to do other studies like archaeological studies, ecological studies, and they need extra money. So obviously I can't really disclose how much will it be, but if you're interested, please feel free to call me. I'm free, advice for free. I'm a free agent. You can call me at 083 345 3744. 083 345 3744. Even those who need liquor licenses, call me. I'll advise you what to do for free. My advice is for free. Yes, when you consult with attorneys, you must have consultation fee. When you go to the doctors, consultation fee. But when you come to me, the town planner, zero fee. 0 rand fee. So take advantage. I thank you. Bye bye.